Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove yourself from a Facebook page as an admin. Alright, so if you are added to a Facebook page as an admin, you can always remove yourself whenever you decide. So let's see how to do it. So the first step you have to take is, of course, open your Facebook app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then at the top, you're going to find your username and this drop down icon right there. Click on that and you'll find the page that you are an admin on. So what I just have to do now is to click on the page. So the name of this page is Zig, the programming guy. So I'll click on that to switch to the page. Alright, so I've switched to the page. Alright, so I've switched to the page. So what I just have to do now is to click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Alright, so after clicking on that, what you just have to do next is to scroll down to settings and privacy. Select settings and privacy and click on settings. Next, we just have to scroll down until we see page setup right here. So click on that one and then click on page access, and then you're going to find yourself right here as one of the people who have access to this page. Right, so if you want to remove yourself, just click on the three dots close to your username, and then you'll get this option to remove from page. So I'll just go ahead and click that, and then the next thing I have to do is to enter my password and then click on the confirm button. So that's it guys on how to remove yourself from Facebook page as admin. Right, so once you do this, you'll be removed from this page as an admin. Right, so that's it. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.